Hi, welcome to University Lab Tech School. I'm Lori the Lab Tech, and today I'm going to show you what to do when your label curls on your slides. So for this, you will need a pair of scissors, sticky ones from your tape, and some really good clear tape. You can use Scotch clear tape. This is duct tape. I think it's packaging tape. This works like the best. So, and a pair of gloves. Now, you're gonna need gloves because the fingerprints will get all over this tape and all over the slide. So if you want your DNA if you want your fingerprint instilled on the slide, then go ahead. You can put your fingers all over it, but it might be foggy and blurry and mess it up. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take the corner and peel gently off the tape, and you're just gonna eyeball measure and hopefully and cut in a straight line, the approximate width of the label to cover it. And most of the time I might be doing multiples because there's a whole slide tray, and you see this creates kind of lines on it. So I would pull a long line to make sure that it doesn't happen. And so I'm gonna cut it straight and just put it aside, or cut it straight till I get a good one. Okay, so that's my piece of tape. See, even the gloves will leave an imprint like on the side there, but that's okay, it's gonna go in the back. Okay, so you take your slide and you want to center the tape on top of the slide, and you want the edge, the straighter edge, whatever side is straighter, to line up with the edge of the slide. And you just eyeball it in the very center. And straight, like I said. And then just put your thumb in the center there where it sticks to the loop. It might curl with it. Some labels are harder than the others. And then you just firmly press down in the center of the label so no bubbles form. And then on the sides, and then you'll fold over the back tightly, because these are all going to be used in microscopes, so like if it's not tight, it might poof up on the bottom. If it's a different kind of tape, that's not good. So as you can see, voila, you've got flattened slide, and it's able to go back into the microscope. So thanks for joining me at University Lab Tech School. Until next time, I'm Lori the Lab Tech.